Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Bath & Body Works haul. I got 2 bags, but this is Halloween edition. So today's video is actually going to be a Halloween edition video. I'm not big into Halloween. I don't decorate for Halloween around my house. I just am not into Halloween. So I do get my kids costumes. They do go trick-or-treating and so forth, but it's not a big thing. But I do love Bath & Body Works Halloween soaps. So mainly everything in this video is going to be soaps and pocket bags, but I wanted to bring it to you guys anyway. That way you can see what I got for Halloween. They do have all the candles out, like Ghoul Friend, Vampire Blood, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, which is in a pumpkin like with a cat on it or something. I'm not into any of them. I don't know why, guys. Like, anyone else like that, you're just not into it. Like, it does nothing for me. And I'm sorry if you hear the washing machine is all the way around there, but I can even still hear it. So if you hear it, I'm sorry, guys. So the first item, because these are all the soaps, is the candy corn soap. Y'all, the candy corn is Wickedly Wild Berries and Supernatural Citrus. This year packaging, it's cute. I mean, it's cute, but to me, I like last year's better, and last year's smell was stronger and it smelled better. So last year's, I have 1 left, and I am not going to use it because this year is not as strong. So I'm going to use this one already for this year, and then 5, 4, 3. Let's start over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first thing is the candy corn soap. So this is the candy corn gentle foaming, foaming hand soap. 8.75 fluid ounces. Looks just like this. The notes in this one is Wickedly Wild Berries and Supernatural Citrus. I can tell you that candy corn is not as strong this year as it is last year. I have last year's packaging because it was super cute. I loved it, and it smelled a lot stronger than candy corn this year. The packaging this year, it is cute, but I still prefer last year's packaging a little bit more. I don't know why. Maybe because it was the skeleton unicorn. I don't know what it was, but I like last year's better than this year's. But this appeals to the kiddos, so this will definitely be going in their bathroom because I want to get this used up because I don't know, it just isn't as strong. I did get Ghoul Friend. Ghoul Friend is dark strawberry, ghostly peony, and spine chilling citrus. It's really cute. It has, you know, the dead. Oh my God, Dia de Muerte, Day of the Dead. You know, on it. So it's really nice. I do love that she got her little eye glitter going on and all that, so it's really pretty. Would I repurchase this? Probably next year and next year's packaging. I do like all the detail, all the glitter. They really had this packaging this year appeal to teenagers, in my opinion. Teenagers and kids. This is very appealing to teenagers and kids and us older folks that like to get to our teenage side, okay? So it was really appealing in that aspect, so I do have that. I do have Halloween. It looks just like that with the dog howling. This is Gruesome Grapefruit and Shocking Sun Rays. Again, to me, all the packaging is just very youthful. That's the nice way to say it. It's youthful packaging, but it smells really, really good. And this was actually the first one I was able to find of the Halloween scents. Is Perfect Pumpkin. I only picked up 1 Perfect Pumpkin because I don't like Perfect Pumpkin. Carved Pumpkin, Spooky Cinnamon, Moon Night Vanilla, aka Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and this is it right here. And I am terrified of cats, so that's another reason why I didn't get a second one. I got Vampire Blood. Love the detailing here with the blood in the teeth. And this one right here, I like this year's Vampire Blood better than last year's Vampire Blood as far as packaging. This is Red Berries, Night Blooming Jasmine, and what is it? Petrifying Plum. Yeah, petrifying plum. And I like this year's packaging better than last. And of course it has the red color in it. I am not going to use this because I think I only have one, so I want to save it. I did pick up Spells Divine, and Grace has already told me Spells Divine is her soap and it's going in her bathroom because it's hers. Love the detailing here. Grace just absolutely loves this packaging. She said this is her soap. This is Enchanted Apple, Sparkling Cases, and Moonlight Daisy. So y'all, this is not my soap. I just wanted to show it to y'all. Grace has already took ownership of it because she thinks it's the cutest soap ever. And I have to agree, this is my favorite packaging of this year with the soap. So much that I got a second one in Spells Divine because I wanted to keep one as a collector's item. Since Grace already took ownership of the first one, she's going to be using this one, so this is going to be saved for my collection. That way I have it for collector's purposes. If soaps go for $3 again, or the 6 for $18 again, I think I will get 2 more of these, and I will get 1 more of the Vampire because I want to stock up on that and have a backup, and that's it. And I guess 1 more candy corn. I guess I could go for 1 more candy corn. So if they do the 6 for $18 again, where I can use a coupon and it ends up being a really great deal, like 6 to 7 soaps for $16, I will do that just so I can have some that I can take to work and have for my backup for my collection. So that was that. I do have a Vampire Blood hand cream. I wish they would have had all of them come out in a hand cream, but they didn't have them all in a hand cream. But I was able to get Vampire Blood, and I just thought this was really cute. So this is going to be going in my purse for the month of October. I know it's really weird, but yeah, I'm going to have this in my purse for the month of October because it's, what's the notes on this one? I don't know, it don't say it, but it just says Wicked Plum. So let me open it. And let me put some on my hand. I haven't used it yet. And these hand creams go for $5, so make sure to try to catch them on sale. Don't pay $5 or use your free item to get it. That would be good if you use your free item to get it, because I'm not paying $5 for it. I'm not. You can smell the plum. Oh my goodness. Yes. It smells so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yes, so that is all up in the purse for October. It smells really good. So let's go to the PocketBacs, because of course I got some PocketBacs too to match the soaps. So I got Girlfriend PocketBac. It looks just like that and everything. The packaging does match the soap, which I really do like. I got Spells Divine. Again, this is Grace's favorite, so I'm probably going to go and get another buy 5 for $6 in PocketBacs. That way I can get 2 more of these, and then when Grace gets into PocketBacs, she'll have these, because that little, you know, witch one can be used year-round, because people like witches year-round, not just at Halloween. Candy corn looks just like that. And I do like the packaging here as far as the PocketBac is concerned. And Halloween, my least favorite packaging, but I picked that one up too. The only one I didn't pick up was the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, which is the perfect pumpkin, again, because I do not like cats, and for 2, I do not like Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. And it's not that I don't like cats. I'm actually terrified of cats. I'm like Maury Povich afraid of cats. Like, if a cat is near me, I go running. If, like, I remember one time a cat was like thrown on me, a kitten, because people, not like thrown on me, but like put on me, and I almost hyperventilated and passed out. Like, they're like, oh my God, I didn't know you were for real, you're that scared. Yes, I am that afraid of cats. It ain't like a cat has done anything to me. I don't know, I've just always had that problem my whole entire life. I cannot explain it, I do not know, but I am petrified of cats. But when it comes to my babies, if I see a cat near my baby, it's on and popping. Cat don't want none, it don't want none. But my kids love cats. It's crazy, all my kids love cats. But we ain't gonna get one because I'm terrified of cats. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm Maury Povich afraid. I'm sorry. I'm terrified of a cat. But, you know, that's a little background information on me. I'm terrified of cats. Now, the last item for the Halloween stuff is in here. It is packaged. I don't know if this will be considered Halloween, but for me, I'm gonna say Halloween because it just screams Halloween in my opinion. And they packaged it really, really nice. Thank you to the store. It's a 1 wick candle holder, and I just thought this is, you know, this screams Halloween to me. The color of it, I guess it screams fall as well, but it screams Halloween to me for some reason. And I'm gonna be putting my 1 wick candles in there if I want to light a 1 wick in here. Like, I like to light the Cider Lane 1 wick because I don't like it in the bathrooms, but I like it out in the open. So I'm gonna put it in here. That way it's safe. And then when I want to take it out, you know, you can take it out because this is the thing that places it in, and you take it out. So place it in, take it out. Yeah, you put it in there. And this is $15.50 normal price. Of course, y'all know I don't pay normal price. I had a coupon. I had to spend, what was it? Spend 30, get 10 off. But look how pretty this is. Tell me this ain't cute. Tell me this ain't cute. This is so cute, and my 1 wicks are gonna love being in this holder. That's it, guys. That's part 3 of my fall haul, which is actually Halloween. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am not, again, a big Halloween person, so I don't have like all the cool Halloween things that came out, and it's just because I'm more of a fall tradition type person, and the oranges and the plum leaves, and you know, that's my thing. When I think of fall, I don't think of Halloween because I'm not big into Halloween. But I hope you guys enjoyed the haul nonetheless. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and make sure you watch all my fall videos. I have like 10 fall videos out already, and fall ain't even hit. Okay, your girl is on it this year, so make sure to check them out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.